and a warm welcome to everyone. As we all know, for the past years, our lifestyle have changed. So too have our cleaning habits. We want a product that is able to, first, remove all the allergen, dirt, dust from our homes. Aside from this, we also want a product to provide a healthy and safe environment for our family. We also want a product that provides super fast cleanliness, hence reduce stress. How? Less time in the cleaning. So how do you clean out with less time? Get a product that is rinse-free, no rinsing. That will actually cut half of your cleaning timing. And of course, we want to have a sense of satisfaction that the area we clean is clean. With this, you will feel happy and satisfied that your efforts are not wasted. So, let me introduce you to a product that will provide all the 4 points that I have just mentioned. It's none other than the L.O.C Multi-Purpose Cleaner. The L.O.C Multi-Purpose is Amway's first product and was launched in 1959. The formula has been formulated to be biodegradable and environmental friendly. And since its inception till now, past 60 years, L.O.C Multi-Purpose has been formulated with these 2 key points in mind. We are privileged to be granted the EPA certification from US. What does EPA stands for? Environmental Protection Agency. To be endorsed with this prestigious award, the product will need to be 1. Human health, safety and environmental friendly. 2. Product must meet pH standards. And 3. The product is able to restrict volatile organic compound, or what we say VOC. With this unique BioQuest formula, L.O.C Multi-Purpose are biodegradable. It does not pollute the environment. It is concentrated, which means more usage saved, more money saving. And it is dermatologically tested. It is not harmful to your hands. Bio-based ingredients, which consist of coconut, citrus fruits, and minerals. The L.O.C Multi-Purpose Cleaner may be used on washable or hard surfaces. Hence, it is suited for all areas of the house. Its no-rinse formula will make and save half of your time in cleaning. No harsh chemicals, so it's safe for your family. Neutral pH and mild surfactant. It is soft and gentle to your hands. And what is fantastic? It is really cost-saving. With 1 bottle of the L.O.C Multi-Purpose Cleaner, you can get, wow, 20 of the Amway spray bottles. That's a lot of spray bottles. So now, I would like to present to you the areas in your home where L.O.C Multi-Purpose Cleaner will be able to remove allergens, dust, grease and grit. You can wipe and clean your oven, fridge, countertops, tabletops, towels, toilet, and you can even use it for mopping. I hope with this short presentation, you will have a bigger understanding on the L.O.C Multi-Purpose Cleaner. With L.O.C Multi-Purpose Cleaner, cleaning made easy for your home. Bye!